Hello, just Big Weekly, back with another video, and this one's more of just a simple, extremely simple actually, video tutorial of Vegas Pro. Basically, this is something I wanted to answer, and the answers I found were kind of fragmented, and they were all of older versions, so I just wanted to do a new one. All it is if you want audio to be muted or turned down in certain locations without affecting the other locations, this is good for you. So let's go ahead and insert some files real quick. Get this up. Okay, I have two files here, my actual personal intro, which I'll show you right here, and then just a random video. This is actually a video that will be posted either tomorrow, or depending on when I upload this will already be posted, or I'll post it tomorrow. So basically what you have to do is just make sure everything's nice and lined up. So let's say I have an intro. Let's go over here. Let's say I have an intro, and I want the music to be loud for the intro portion, but I want it to turn down and be background music for the normal video. Let's actually get a video. Let's actually get music as well. So I'll be right back. Okay, I have some music here, and if we can go ahead and just do this as a solo, you can hear this music. So I want it to be exactly this loud, but then I want it to turn down here, right here, so then you can hear my voice. New monitors. As you can hear, it's a bit too loud. Just a tad too loud. So to do this, all you have to do really is go over to the channel where the music is on, which in my case it's channel 4. Right click it, and then you're going to make a envelope. And you want, for this one, you want to choose volume envelope, and you can also access that by Shift V. Now you have your envelope, but to actually use it, you have to put 2 points or multiple points where you want your audio to change. So let's go ahead and bring my, oops, that's my own fault, rookie mistake, I just got this program not too long ago. Let's go and put this over where I want it to be, so right here, so we can zoom in. And then all you have to do is double click, and that'll make 1 point, and then double click somewhere else, and that'll make another point. Now this is your volume line right here, and to change volume, you literally just have to drag it down to where you want it to be, and that's it. That's all. Now this music is turned down at this point. Alright, now let's try it out. Let's just restart the video. More stuff again. But way down the road, now we can actually hear the audio without the music overpowering it. It's still a bit too loud, but you can play with it as you want. And if you ever want to turn it back up, all you have to do is scroll to where you want it to be turned up to, double click to add a point, double click to add another point, and then drag that up. And of course from there you can go ahead and do fade outs and fade ins, just like classic Vegas. Everybody knows how to do this, just from here. Oops, apparently I don't. Wait just a sec. Oh wait, no, it's because there's still the envelope, that's why. But yeah, you definitely can still do fade outs and fade ins. I'll just do a manual fade out. Oh, there we go. Now I got it to work. There you go, just like that, and then it'll fade out. So that's all I wanted to do for this video. I probably made it unnecessarily long, but this is something I never knew how to do. But that's just all of this compressed, all of the information I gathered compressed into this. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.